Dear students, today I am going to solve some maths from the chapter Decimals for Maths Olympiad. So today's first problem is, which of the following decimal numbers are arranged in descending order? The options are 5.6, 5.506, 5.06, 0.506. Option B, 5.06, 0.506, 5.506 and 5.6. Option C, 5.6, 5.06, 0.506, 5.506 and option D, 0.506, 5.06, 5.506 and 5.6. These are the given four options. So we have to find that which one is arranged in descending order. So here this one is 5.6, then 5.5, then 5.0. It is not in descending order. It is 5.0. It is also not in descending order. This one is 5.6, 5.06. It is not. And last one is third one is 5.6, 5.06, then 0.506, then 5.506. So among these first one is, I think, first one 5.6, 5.506, then 5.06, 0. Option A is correct answer. Option A is arranged in descending order. Now next problem. Next is, which of the following expressions is incorrect? The options are 0.6 greater than 0.06, 0.66 not equals to 5/9, 455 greater than 11/25, and option D, 1/6 greater than 0.17. Now which of the following expression is incorrect? So the first one is 0.6 greater than 0.06. It is correct. 0.06 not equals to 5/9. So if we calculate it, so that means if we divide 5/9, then it will be, so it is, we can see that it is not equals to 0.66, not equals to 5/9. So it is also correct. Next one is 455 greater than 11/25. Yes, it is correct answer, students. 455 is always greater than 11 by 25. It is correct option. Next. Next is the cost of 94 blankets is rupees 6 lakh 15,000 4.40. What is the cost of one such blanket? The options are rupees 644 2.85, rupees 6539.05, rupees 6542.60 and rupees 6556.65. Now students, if the cost of 94 blankets is 615,004.40, then what is the cost of one blanket? So we have to divide 615,004.40 by 94 because we have to find one blanket. So if we remove this point there, denominator, in the denominator we will get 100. Now calculate it. So if we divide it by 2, and it will be now we have to divide 3075022 by 47. So 47 is a prime number. So here is a process to check it. So divide 3075022 by 47. So if we divide it, so we can divide it by 6. Now subtract it and take one number. So again, if we multiply 47 by 5, so it will be 235. Then we can take 4. So 188. So here 654, first 3 digits, here you can see that first 3 digits are 654 and it is matched with option C. So now you need not to calculate complete, you need not to divide this match again. So here first 3 digits are matched, you can see that 654. So that means option C is the correct answer. Next problem. Next is add 395.6 to 48.07 and subtract it from the sum of 510.05 and 115.15. The options are 179.25, 181.53, 185.69 and option D is 182.46. So the problem is add 395.6 to 48.07 and then subtract it from the sum of these and these. So here we can calculate it directly. So at first we have to add these two, then subtract 395.6 plus 48.07. Now calculate it. It is 625.20 and it is 443.67. Now subtract it. So it is 181.53. So 181.53, that means option B is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood. Now next problem. What should be subtracted from 91,202.57 to get the greatest 4-digit even number? The options are 81,203.57, 82,103.75, option C 81,203.43 and option D 81,204.57. Now the problem is, what should be subtracted from 91,202.57 to get the greatest 4-digit even number? So we know the greatest 4-digit even number is 9998. So it is the greatest 4-digit even number. Now we have to find that what should be subtracted from this. So here we have to subtract 9998 from this number. So subtract it. So 81,204.57. So option D is the correct, students. Option D is correct. Next, Next problem is, by how much is the sum of 14.28 and 21.219 greater than their difference? The options are 35.499, 6.939, 20.65 and 28.56. So the problem is, by how much is the sum of this and this greater than their difference. So at first we have to find the sum. So 21.219 and 14.28. So the sum is 35.499 and their difference $6.939. Now, by how much is the sum? This and this is greater their difference. Now subtract it again. $28.560. So 0 is negligible. So here the answer is 28.56. So option D is the correct answer. Students, here you can see that this one is given in the option and this one also is given in the option. So don't make mistake. Okay. Answer is 28.56. Next. The product of two numbers is 0.217. The product of two numbers is 0.217. If one of them is 0.35, then the other number is, the options are 19.46, 0.46, 0.62 and 0.56. These are the options. So the problem is, the product of two numbers is 0.217. If one of them is 0.35, then find the other. So here we have to directly divide 0.217 by 0.35. So calculate it. 0.217 by 0.35. So if you remove this point, you will get 100 in numerator, and if you remove this point, you will get 1000 as denominator. So two zeros will cut. Now we can divide 217 and 35 by 7. So here it is 31 by 50. So if you divide 31 by 50, you will get 0.62. you can check it. If you divide 31 by 50, you will get 0.62. So option C is the correct answer. So students, you must practice such kind of maths at your home for your upcoming maths Olympiad. Thank you students.